In this video, I'm going to teach you how to evaluate an exponent. So if we have a problem like this that says evaluate 5 to the power of 4. So first step is to understand an exponent. An exponent tells you how many times its base is multiplied by itself, or the mathematical way of saying that is how many times it's used as a factor. So in this expression, this is the base. 5 is the base, and this is the exponent. So the next step is to understand that exponents are used to write repeated multiplication. So the exponent tells you how many times you repeat it. In this case, we multiply 5 by itself 4 times. So let's write that out. 5 to the power of 4 equals 5 times 5 times 5 times 5. The base is repeated 4 times because that's what the exponent is. Now we could just start multiplying this out. We know 5 times 5 is 25, and then we carry down the rest of the expression. Then we can multiply 25 times 5, which gives us 125. And then finally we multiply that by 5, and the final answer is 625. And that's how you do exponents. And don't worry if you don't get that right away. You could just rewatch the video. There's not a problem with repetition. As well, take a look at the description. In there you'll find links to other videos of mine that I've done that are similar. As well, you could download the ebook. In the ebook, there's a link that'll take you right to this video, and you could follow along in the ebook as you watch the video. Thank you so much for listening, and please make sure to like and subscribe.